Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer, brand new show. Wow, this light is like, I don't like this light anymore. Like, I don't know. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on something here. It's kind of, annoying. I got like a glare here or somewhere. I don't know. Whatever. All right. So welcome, guys. So sorry I missed last week. I do apologize. I was super busy. So yeah, it's been a long time. Oh, actually, there's actually a first comment here. You, hey man, what's up? It's been a long time since I saw the last show. Yeah, you're right. I was actually just saying that. So yeah, it's been a little while, especially that I skipped live session this week. Was really busy. I was learning some new stuff. So we're actually going to talk about that tonight. So make sure to take some notes because that's going to be pretty interesting, guys. All right, so for the new people, welcome to the channel. Welcome. This is called Forex Talk Over Beer. The concept of the show is pretty simple. It's we're going to talk Forex and we're going to have a nice little drink together. All right, it's Friday. It's Friday. All right, so it's Friday and let's enjoy our Friday, right? So let me close that magic key. So make sure if you don't have a drink with you, run to the kitchen, go grab a drink, wine, juice, beer, whatever you guys drinking, right? Make sure to grab something. Maybe you're watching the replay also. So maybe you're watching the replay and that's fine. I know there's plenty of you watching the replay. But make sure to grab a drink just to do the official cheers. Take that picture, you know. It can be orange juice, milk. Maybe you're having breakfast right now because I don't know what time it is in your country. But hey, if it's time for you for a nice little drink, let's do it, okay? So let's do it. So, in the pre-show on Instagram, I always let you choose the beer I'm going to be drinking. So you guys chose for me tonight this nice little beer from the microbrewery Brewski. And this one is a double dry hop, double IPA, 8.2%. So we're going to go with this. So first thing first, and we got a nice little glass here that goes with it. So first thing first, let's crack up this beer. There we go. So by the way, guys, if you're new here and you didn't subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to smash a like button as you come in. I used to be streaming like 4 times a week. Now I'm only streaming twice a week. This week only once. So basically, the algorithm doesn't like me that much anymore. So I really need your help to push this algorithm. So make sure to smash the like button as coming. That will help the channel so much. Thank you in advance. All right, let's pour this little thing here. All right. It smells really good. So I can't wait to taste it. Smell pretty good. There we go. All right. So perfect. So we're about to do the official cheers, so pretty simple. So you guys need to grab your drink. I'm going to do the cheers. You snap a picture, you post it on your story, you tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right, so you guys ready for that cheers? In 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right. Smell good. Well, that's really good, actually. Awesome. Ooh, yep, that's gonna be a 4.5. Hell yeah. All right. So you guys ready? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get the chart. All right. So let's see. Is the sound loud and clear? Just to make sure before I get going. I completely forgot to ask before we get started. Hopefully it's good. Last time I was talking to myself, so hopefully you guys hear me. All right, so we're gonna start with the trade on GJ. Those was pretty simple. I'm gonna talk about that. Let me remove this. This was useful for this. Let me just check sound is good. Yeah. All right. Don't forget, guys, to smash the like button. Okay, as you come in. Very, 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 very important. All right. Need your help here. All right, so let's take a look at this trade right here. Let me put the screen bigger. Here we go. All right, so we had 3 trades here on GJ during this week, right? Let's see here. All right, so this one right here, pretty simple. All right, so this one was on 19, so that was on, wait a second, the 19 was, sorry, my dog's going crazy. That was Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday. All right, so very simple trade right here. We had, if you look here, oops, 1 hour. Thank you. All right, so basically 1 hour did broke this major QP right here. All right, so we broke this major QP right here. So what I wanted a retest. So we broke, we retest, and we close above that major QP. So for me, closing above that major QP was a huge confirmation. So I decided to took the entry right here at the opening of the candle. It took so long before going, but yeah, it was playing back and forth on that wick, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and finally decided to go. And it went to a nice little 33 pips profit total. I did secure around like at this resistance right here, I did secure like 80%, and I decided to close in full right here. Very simple, to be honest. Nothing crazy about it. I really like on the 30-minute that little like doji, and I had this engulfing candle right here, closing back above this major QP like I explained just before. So this was a pretty simple trade. Any question about that one? No question? All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this one was a break-even trade, unfortunately. So it was the same kind of idea. We broke and we came back above. So I was like, all right, so I think we can visit this area, but it never did. It just like this was my mistake, is we didn't broke the 1 hour structure or the 30-minute structure. We were still in a bearish trend on 30-minute or 1 hour. So this was my mistake. It went like, how many pips went? It was like 14, almost 15 pips. Usually I secured 15 pips, but I was so sure it was continuing up. I was like, all right, let me secure at the, I wanted to secure first here at this QP. And unfortunately, it went straight down to my entry. My stop was moved at break even. So this was a break even trade. So that's it. This one I got stopped out on that one. So it actually went up a couple of pips. No, actually, sorry. That was another break even trade. So it went to my TP, but it went straight down after that. So I was able to secure 80%. Sorry about that confusion. And after that, I got stopped out at break even. So, but this one was a very quick scalp. So nothing crazy about that one, to be honest. It was a dogtail setup. The wick was super thin. So that's why I was like, it kind of retest this QP, but not that much. It decided to push up pretty quickly. And right after we secure profits, bam, straight to break even. So yeah, dogtail setup, but nothing fancy. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know about the dogtail setup. So now um, let's talk about the trade that I received so many DMs about. It's the GA trade. All right, so first, before we get into this, let me explain you why I'm trying to, get new tools in my toolbox like swing trade. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. I know there's many of you watching the replay. Even if you're watching the replay, make sure to smash the like button, please. All right, so the reason why is been so busy lately, and lately the market is just like wake up like a 5:30, 6:30, 7, whatever the time, and moves happen so much later, right? So I mean, yes, you can scalp it, get a couple pips there and there, but I want to get more out of the market. So, and the most important thing is I don't want to be spending that much time anymore on the screen. I want to be able to set my trade and just leave it and, go. Of course, I'm always going to be scalping, I'm going to be looking at the market, see if I can scalp it there, there, and there. That's fine. But I want to be able to set a trade and, forget about it and just let it play. And that is a big level up for me because I've never been able to do that in the past. Never. Okay. It was really hard psychologically. I was going to see, customers and business partners, and I was always looking on my phone, see what the fuck is going on, right? Because I was so stressed about it. I was never really good at swing trading, to be honest. My strength was really scalping intraday. I was really good at that, and I'm still good at it. But I wanted more. I wanted more. I want to be better. I want to always be a better version of myself, a better version of a trader. I want to keep learning new stuff. So I was like, all right, so let me see what I can learn. So I actually and it's the same thing in sport. Let's say you want to be a better tennis player or a better soccer player or a better baseball player, better hockey player. You're gonna see a coach, right? You're gonna see somebody that's better than you, right? So if I play baseball and I'm a good, like, I don't know, I'm a good single hitter, and I want to, I want to. That's maybe not a good example, but let's see, I don't know, whatever, yeah, let's take that baseball example. So if I'm a good single hitter and I want to start, swinging, harder and getting some home run, I'll go see someone that's, getting like some big swing, and let's see, and that's what I did. So I had another perspective now on the market. Like I got a little different approach, a different way at looking at the market. That's like, okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Let's test it out. Let's practice this and see how it goes. So I decided that trade. I secured a 3-1 on the funding challenge, but I did let play fully on my live account, on my personal account, and I went a little hard on it, to be honest. So it was the reward was very, very, very interesting. So yeah, hey, cheers to that. Hey guys, we need a 100% like ratio. So if you didn't smash that like button yet, please do me a favor, smash that like button. All right. So that's going to be a huge help. It's going to literally take you 2 seconds. Okay. 2 seconds to smash that like button. All right. So let's talk about that trade now. So, all right. So first of all, let's break it down fully. Okay. Let's break it down fully. All right, so before we had this, okay, hold on, wait a second. This monthly, all right. All right, here we go. So if you're looking now at the weekly, I mean, if you look at the weekly, yes, we have a bearish trend. And on the monthly, we have a bearish trend, right? The reason why is we broke structure here on the monthly, and the weekly did broke structure also. We know that we need a pullback. So yes, this trade was a little counter trend based on a high time frame. But if you look on the daily, we had this nice little head and shoulder, right? So we had this little head and shoulder. And we know that if you create this neckline, which is this line right here, let me do it right here. Put it like purple kind of. Let's put it, I don't know, orange. No, that's not visible. Let's do red. Damn. Okay, here we go. So we know that we need to retest that neckline. And I know that this is my daily golden zone to continue down, right? So I know that price needs to come here, come there to continue down, okay? So what I did is like, all right, so I know that I'm going there. So what about like catching a move up there? Okay, so let's see. So what I was waiting for days, because I spotted this like on this day, on the 13th. I was like, I was waiting all that time for price to come here, retest this neckline right here, close above, and go back up. Okay, so this was my plan. So what happened is I got stopped out the first time. Okay, on my first attempt, I got stopped out. Oh, I got sun right here. Wow. Okay. Cheers, guys. So if you look here on the 4-hour time frame, this is the golden zone right here. So we know that price is going to come back up, back down here, push back up, right? So I was like, all right, so cool. So we got a nice, 4-hour engulfing candle. So let's take the trade here. This was my entry signal right here. So I was like, all right, let's push it up. Here is my mistake. You guys ready? Here is my mistake. Let me show it to you. Price is literally trending down still. I need a break of structure right here. So price did this, did this, did this, did this. All right. So now I got my break of structure right here. So I need to go see on a lower time frame to retest this level to continue up. So what I did is I went on the 30-minute, and you see we got this right here. Sorry, guys. All right, so we got the break of this resistance. We got a retest. We got engulfing candle right here, and bam, here was the entry. My stop was really tight. I should have placed it probably a little under here, but hey, I put it right under the candle. So next time, I think I'm gonna leave a little bit more space just in case. So I was a little late on my entry. I wanted to take the entry right at the opening of the candle, but I was a tiny bit late. But it is what it is. So what happened right now? My target was this first QP right here. This first major QP right here was my first target. And you know what? I was aiming for 3 to 1. So this was way more. What I did on my funding account was like right here, I did close 80% and let the rest run. On my live account, I waited for right here, exactly here. So this was my exit, and the reason why is I knew this zone can be rejected, but I know in the long run we should go around this area before coming back down. So price, you know what, guys, this dude, I swear to God, I'm not bullshitting you. It's just like the night before, I mean, not the night before, but just before going to bed, basically. This candle right here, this was like 11 p.m. Eastern time. I was just about to go to bed, and usually I go to bed way earlier than that. But I don't know. I was excited about that trade, and we had a good discussion with me and my wife on the sofa, and blah blah blah. And anyway, so just before going to bed, I went to see this trade, and the price was retracing. I saw the wick was right beside my TP. I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It was just beside my TP. I was freaking out because this actually is my biggest RR trade. And at that moment, my live account is running full position on that one. So I'm a little bit excited. I'm like, all right, so now I'm seeing this wick coming back down, and I'm like, oh, fuck it. You know what? Let me close it. It's like whatever, 6, 7%, because I risked it 1% on that, on my funding account. On my live account, I went a little hard. I went on 3%. So this was crazy. Okay. And I was like, you know what? My stops at break even. I'm gonna practice what I learned into that boot camp. I'm gonna set and fucking forget. All right. So I said, all right, fuck it. I'm going to bed. And whatever happened. And I woke up the next morning, bam, smash it full. Dude, that exit was to the T. Like that exit was to the T. It went like a little bit higher and bam, straight back down. I would have been taken out at break even. So I'm so happy with that one. And yeah, so that is it. That is it, guys. Nothing super complicated. Support resistance. A couple candlestick patterns. Not much. No fancy fucking indicators. No, nothing crazy. Just simple shit. Shout out to Alex, that actually showed me the way to swing trade, and to set and forget. So shout out to him. That was cool. Yeah, I'm not shy to say I don't. I sucked at swing trade. I was good at scalping and intraday. So I went to see someone that was better at swing trade because I wanted to learn that and be better at, right? So I'm not shy. I can say it out loud. I don't care. So this was amazing. So I'm going to keep on this. I'm going to show it. I'm going to show you another one that is actually playing out right now. This one hit TP1 at 3.5 RR. Right now, I'm waiting to see if we can continue up. Right now, the structure is still looking good. That runner is still running. I mean, let's see. Where is it? Wow, my mouse just died on me. No? Oh, what happened here? Oh, sorry, I switched screen. Sorry, guys. So basically, here, if you look here on the monthly, monthly was bearish, right? But weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. And 4-hour was bullish. So basically what I needed was really simple. We broke this. If you look on the daily time frame, this was the area I was waiting to retest. So if you see this I drew this like around it was on the 13. On the 13, I draw this. We had a double bottom right here. We broke the neckline, we went up, but this was my break of structure right here. So I wanted a retest of this area. So we broke, we came down, we retested, we had a nice I went on the lower time frame right here on a 4-hour time frame. If you see here, price is coming, oops, wrong tool. Price is coming down right here. So what I'm waiting is for a shift to the upside to be able to take it. So I went on the lower time frame actually on H1. Here we go. Perfect. So if you see, price was coming down to retest this level. And what I'm waiting is for a break of structure. So we did break up this structure. We came down right here to retest this, right? Actually, it's a little lower right here. But yeah, so we came down here to retest it. And give me an arrow here. So what I did is this was the engulfing candle. This was my signal, right? And I took the entry right here. Almost stumped me out. And after that, boom, straight TP. That's it, man. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Once again, just structure, just support resistance. Again, thank you, Alex, for bringing this view to me. Because even for scalping, this is gonna help me. Because I think sometimes I take like scalp like maybe too early in the move. So actually, this is gonna help me also the way that looking at a structure, a different way, different approach. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I always been telling people invest in yourself. Always invest in yourself, guys. Invest in yourself. This nobody can take out the knowledge you learn, right? So yeah, guys. Hey, cheers. What do you see for this week? Let's see. Let's see. What did I see? What do you see for this week? Um, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go down on Sunday and break down charts, right? Because I didn't take a look at the market at all today. But there's a couple things that I'm waiting on pullback. So let's see. Let me see here very quickly. Um, right here. Like AUD I was actually waiting for pullback around here, but now we broke structure, so that's gonna be a no go. Um, so let's see. Do we have anything concrete here? No. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it Sunday, to be honest. So because right now today I didn't look at it. There was a couple things I was waiting for. Some stuff happened, some other didn't. Oh, Lee, NZD USD. So wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Jesus. AUDGPY. Holy crap. So you see here, I was actually waiting for a retest of this area, and now we kind of breaking this structure right now. Wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do it and spend more times on the chart and make sure we're good. But yeah, I don't feel like doing it right now because it's Friday and I'm done. Um, let's see. Boom. Question. Let's see. In that last trade, hey, by the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Thank you. In that last trade, the last daily candle looks scary, no? Let me check. Let me check. Daily. Daily candle. That last daily candle? Which one? This one? Yesterday or today? Because I'm not sure which one you mean. The last daily candle looks scary, no? I mean, this one looks beautiful. That's a nice engulfing candle. Uh, so I'm not sure which one you mean, Carlos. Maybe you want to precise which one you're talking about. GBB, NZD. Oh, GN. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Daily candle. Oh, today, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're talking about today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doji, like with a huge ass rejection like this, yeah. But at this stage, 80% of my trade is closed. So I mean, that's all good. TP1 was here at 3.5 RR. So 80% of the trade is closed, and I'm letting the rest run. So we'll see. Super close to it went super close to get stopped at break even, but that's all good because I secure most of my profits. But yes, it doesn't look good. But if you look on let me check the weekly though. Weekly is still fine, right? And overall time frame is still, bullish. Um, just the monthly is bearish right now. So that's the only thing we might start coming down, to be honest, at this stage. But at this stage, I'm all good. But I'm expecting the daily to pull back around this area, right? So on long term, so I should be good to get my final TP. But if it doesn't happen, that's all good. That's all good. But yes, it definitely doesn't look super exciting. Um, but based on the H4 time frame, though, So based on the H4 time frame, we're still good at this stage. But if we do break this low here, it's not going to be looking good. But that's all good. Like I said, 80% of the trade is closed at 3.5 R. So I don't really care, to be honest. And anything can happen on Sunday. It can wick out and take me out, and that's all good. But yeah, you're right. It doesn't look super exciting. All right, let's see. Do we have any more questions? 6:30. That's good. We're on time. We're on time. Man, what's up with the sun, man? I'm shining. Cheers, guys. All right, so let's see. Do we have any more questions? Questions. Let's see. Do we have any more questions? Let's see, guys. Bring up some questions. You guys are so quiet. What's up with that? Usually Friday is crazy. Usually Fridays I get like shit load of questions. And usually, well, to excuse you guys, usually we have like at least like 40, 50 people. But right now, since I've been like streaming only once a week or twice a week, the algorithm really doesn't like me anymore. So yeah, so it is what it is. But hey, I'm still doing it because if I can help one person around the world, I'm gonna feel good about it. So I think if you think I kind of help you just a little bit, just smash that like button, share it to your friends, and yeah, let's go. I'm still gonna doing it, even if the algorithm or YouTube doesn't like me anymore. But yeah, let's see here. What firm you trading with? Black Bull Market. Yeah, Black Bull Market is the one right here. Let me see. Bam, right here. Yeah, Black Bull Market. Yeah. So they got super low spread, very, very, very one of the best customer service out there. To be honest, I tried like dozen of brokers. This is the one I've been with for so long. So yeah, really, really, really good broker. You can use the link in my description. You're going to be moved automatically to Prime account, which is the lowest spread possible with them, with only a deposit minimum of $200, which is pretty good. Any more questions? Let's see. And like I said, guys, don't forget to smash that like button if you're watching right now. And this, I mean, you like this just a little bit, smash the like button. I mean, how hard is it to fucking click this button? Cheers, guys. All right. So let's see. Any more questions? Let's see. No more questions? So I guess we're good to go. All right. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Very appreciate. I'll see you on Tuesday morning. So we'll get back to live trading session on Tuesday. So make sure to tune in on Tuesday. Oh, let's see. We got one last questions. I was with IC Market, who are excellent. I'm now with Blueberry Market. They have great. Oh, that's awesome, man. Good job. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Very appreciate you here. I'll be live on Tuesday morning and Friday next week. So make sure to tune in. And thank you very much, guys. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Don't forget Sunday. Get ready for the market. And yeah, I'll see you on Tuesday morning, guys. Take care.